PinkyQ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna bring you with me for a photo shoot and I'm super excited about it. And the weather today is nothing special. It's just some, normal Canadian weather. Right now I'm on my way to a convenience store nearby, so I want to buy some flowers and some fruits. Later during the photo shoot we can eat the fruits, and the flowers are for the makeup artist. So today is the first time I meet and work with her. I'm going to her home to do the makeup, so I'm thinking why not bring some little gift for her. Every time before a photo shoot, there's lots preparation work to do. I will be shopping the outfits. Given each photoshoot concept are quite different, I'm not necessarily having the right outfits in my wardrobe. If I got more time to shop, I would go online for more options and cheaper price. But if it's urgent, I would run into the malls and the local stores to find them. Ideally, I would prefer renting the stuff, since mostly I will only wear the outfit once for the photoshoot. But most of the time, renting is not an option. I also created a Pinterest board for each photo shoot, including inspirations of poses and looks, etc. This time we are trying Jake Hicks' gel lighting style, so I collected some of his work or similar work in my board.
It's showtime.
my god. Oh my god. Oh, oh wow. Oh. Oh wow, I love it. Oh my god, I love it! Ah! Sorry.
I told you, trust me.
Oh my god, you're so good! Oh my god, that's amazing. I think I should be on the cover of magazine, please. Oh. Well, I did get a magazine cover published, but for the other look though. This one got published as back cover model on Edith magazine, which is a Canadian-based magazine. This one got published on the New York-based magazine Margin magazine. Guys, I don't want to take off my makeup. It's like, it's so amazing. Oh, I love you. Oh no, I can't hug you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Every time after makeup, I do a long time. I don't want to take off, but that's the most I don't want to take off my makeup time in my life, you know? It's like so freaking amazing. Ah. Okay, it takes forever, I think. I have been up the whole day, and you would think now it's time to go home, eat something, and rest. No, I have another photo shoot the next day, so I ran into the mall to get some outfit. After a whole day of exciting but also exhausting hard work, I desperately needed some great food to carry on the energy for the photo shoot next day. So I went to a Chinese hotpot at 10:30 p.m. How crazy I am. Thanks for watching and experiencing a model photo shoot with me today. Yeah, it is not always as glamorous as we imagined. Everyone, including photographers, makeup artists, and models, etc., puts a lot of efforts and time on it. And it is stressful in this industry sometimes. But I still love it. I love that I got to create arts with different talented artists and try different characters in different concepts. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will bring you to more and more fun photo shoots in the future. Look forward to the beautiful adventures ahead. Love you and stay safe. See you next time.